Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you're here today. Traveling is one of the most exciting experiences in life, and airports are the first place where your English skills can be very useful. Today, we are going to practice speaking English at the airport, from checking in to asking questions and understanding simple announcements. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt nervous at the airport because of English signs or announcements? Or maybe you were unsure how to ask for directions or check your luggage. Don't worry. Many beginners feel the same way. Airports are busy places, but with simple English phrases and clear sentences, you can communicate confidently and safely. In this episode, we will cover common airport vocabulary and phrases, how to check in at the counter, how to ask for directions and information, how to understand announcements, and how to interact politely with airport staff and other travelers. We will use easy words, short sentences, and clear examples. You don't need advanced English. Just listening, practicing aloud, and imagining yourself at the airport will help you feel ready. So take a deep breath, imagine your boarding pass in your hand, and let's start learning how to speak English at the airport in a natural and friendly way. Airports can feel overwhelming, but talking about your needs in English is simple if you know key phrases. Let's start with checking in. When you reach the airport, you usually go to the check-in counter. Staff may ask, "Good morning, may I see your passport and ticket? Do you have any luggage to check in? Do you prefer a window or aisle seat?" You can answer politely, "Good morning, here is my passport and ticket. Yes, I have one suitcase to check in. I prefer a window seat, please." Notice the polite phrases, "May I?" "Here is," "Please." These are very important in public interactions. After check-in, you may ask for directions. "Excuse me, where is gate 12? Can you tell me where the restroom is? Which way is security?" People at the airport are used to helping travelers, so don't be afraid to ask. Keep your sentences short and clear. In the waiting area, you can also talk about general needs. Where can I get something to eat? Is there a place to charge my phone? Simple responses can be, "It's over there. The food court is next to gate 10. Using clear and polite English makes your airport experience easier. Even small phrases like "thank you" and "excuse me" make a big difference. Now, let's practice common questions and answers at the airport. Checking in. Question: Do you have your passport? Answer: Yes, here it is. Question: How many bags do you have to check in? Answer: I have one suitcase. Asking for directions. Question: Where is gate 5? Answer: Go straight, then turn left. Question: Where is the restroom? Answer: It's near the coffee shop. Asking about services. Question: Is there Wi-Fi here? Answer: Yes, it's free. You can also ask back politely. Could you repeat that, please? Can you help me, please? Can you speak slowly? Even if you are unsure, it's okay to say, "I'm not sure, can you show me?" Or, "I don't understand, could you help?" Practicing these questions and answers will help you feel confident and prepared. Airports have many announcements, and knowing simple phrases will make your travel experience easier and less stressful. Airports are also social spaces. You may meet fellow travelers or talk to staff. Here's how to interact naturally with airport staff. "Good morning. Can you help me with my bag?" "Excuse me, where is the boarding gate?" With other travelers. "Hi, is this line for gate 12? Do you know when the flight will start boarding?" You can respond politely if someone asks you, "Yes, I think so," or "I'm not sure. Let's ask the staff." In waiting areas or lounges, you can use English to ask small questions or start casual conversations. Is this your first time in this city? How long is your flight? I love traveling. What about you? Always use polite phrases. Excuse me, please, thank you. These make your interactions smoother and more pleasant. When you encounter problems, such as a missing flight or luggage issue, simple English phrases are very helpful. My flight was delayed. What should I do? I can't find my suitcase. Can you help me? Being polite, clear, and calm is key. Even short sentences help you communicate effectively. Airports may feel busy and noisy, but using simple English makes everything easier. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to talk at the airport in English. We practiced key phrases for checking in, asking for directions, interacting with staff, and communicating with other travelers. Airports are busy, but using clear, polite, and simple English will make your travel experience easier and more enjoyable. Remember, short sentences and polite words like please and thank you go a long way. Here's a practice exercise. Imagine you are at an airport. Say 3 sentences out loud using the phrases we practiced today. Good morning, here's my passport. Where is gate 8, please? Excuse me, can you help me with my suitcase? Try to practice with a friend or family member. You can take turns asking and answering questions to make it more real. Thank you for listening to Pillar English. I'm Emily, and I'm proud of your progress. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy speaking English while traveling.